Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn how to make a thumbnail for YouTube, in less than 2 minutes. First, register Crello for free, and get 5 downloads per month without a watermark. Crello has lot of pre-made templates, media, fonts for free. We will search for YouTube thumbnail here in search box. I will use this template, just click on it. You will be redirected to editor. Now we will change the background photo. We will click on photos on left side menu. I will select this one. Click on it. Drag onto existing photo, it will automatically replace with new image. Cool, we will remove these existing fonts. I will select and click on delete icon. I will click on text on left side menu. Now I will rewrite the text and change color. Increase the size of text. Align the text to the center by clicking this icon. Remove unnecessary text. That's it, now you can download in any format.